This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Justice smartwatch. First, ensure your watch has a full charge, which typically takes about 2 hours using the provided USB cable. Next, download the official Justice smartwatch application from your phone's App Store, available for both iOS and Android devices. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet, making it discoverable for pairing. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Once the app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Within the application, look for an option like Add New Device or a plus icon to begin the pairing process. Your app will then scan for nearby Justice smartwatches. Select your specific watch model from the list that appears on your screen. This step initiates the connection between your watch and your mobile device. After selecting your watch, a pairing request will appear on both your smartphone and the watch itself. Confirm this request on both devices to finalize the connection. The app will then prompt you to grant necessary permissions, such as access to notifications and location services, which are essential for full functionality. Take a moment to customize basic settings like your preferred time format and notification preferences directly within the app. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, a simple restart of both your Justice smartwatch and your smartphone can often resolve them. Ensure your devices are kept within a close range, ideally no more than 10 meters apart, to maintain a stable Bluetooth connection. Regularly check for and install any available updates for both the app and your watch's firmware to ensure optimal performance and new features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.